Will you join us for dinner tonight?
Yes, I will. Thank you for inviting.
What do you plan to do after graduation?
I'm planning to travel around Europe for a few months.
Did you know that Neha is moving to a new apartment?
No, I didn't. That's exciting news.
Are you going to the concert next week?
Yes, I am. I already bought my ticket.
What do you think you will do if it rains tomorrow?
I'll probably stay indoors and catch up on some reading or watching movies.
Did you have a good time at the party last night?
Yes, I do. It was a lot of fun.
Are you going to visit your family during the holidays?
Yes, I am. I'm looking forward to spending time with.
Did you finish the project you were working on?
Yes, I did. It took longer than expected, but I finally completed it.
Will you be attending the conference next month?
Yes, I will. I have already registered for it.
What do you think you will do if you win the lottery?
I will probably travel around the world and then invest some of the money.
Did you hear about the new restaurant that opened downtown?
Yes, I did. I am planning to check it out this weekend.
Are you going to apply for the job opening at your company?
Yes, I am. I think it would be a great opportunity for career growth.
What do you like most about living in this city?
I like the diversity of cultures and the vibrant nightlife. Like, share, and subscribe.